guys, now we're going to do the final dinosaur in our dinosaur series, a pterodactyl. You're going to start with a medium brush, and you're going to load it up with yellow. We're going to start with a curve. And then a smaller curve. So it looks like you've got a little sliver of a moon. You fill that in. And then you're going to take another medium brush and you're going to load it up with orange. You're going to draw a line over the top, along the top edge, just like that. Then you're going to do from roughly the center a curve, left or right, doesn't matter, coming down like that. Then you're going to take another line here, coming down and uniting with the bottom, and fill that in. This is the body of the pterodactyl. Now you're going to do a small line in the center up top, and then draw an arrow. Okay. Then you're going to go ahead and get your detail brush, load it up with black, and you can give it 3 claws on the end of each wing. And you can do another set right there for its little feet. And then you can give it a eye. And at the pointed end of this arrow, you're going to make a little smiley face. And there you have it, a little pterodactyl.